Look at this. Look at the juices coming out of that. We have our beautiful pork shoulder here, sliced with the grain for this one. Trim some of this fat. Now we marinate. Start with 2 tablespoons of bean sauce, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. We got 1 fermented bean curd. Crush this into the marinade. 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine. 1 tablespoon of red wine. 1 grated garlic. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Half teaspoon of 5-spice, half teaspoon of black pepper, and a little bit of MSG. Tarsu sauce into here to help with the red color, a tablespoon. We're a little bit salty, so we're gonna add a little bit more sugar, a little bit more 5-spice, a little bit more black pepper. Mix it up. That is a perfect Tarsu marinade. Very important step here. Take the fork and we're just gonna punch a bunch of holes into our pork, help the marinade penetrate better. For our marinade, massage it in. This goes in the fridge for 4 hours, no longer than 24 hours, or you will ruin the texture of your meat. We did 12 hours here. We're gonna take it out of the fridge right now. Now we'll let this sit on the counter and get to room temperature, 30 minutes to 1 hour. Set our air fryer at 385 degrees for 10 minutes. Gorgeous, look at that, beautiful Tarsu. Go in now with some Billy B honey. Brush that all over. Okay, back in for 10 more minutes. Oh yeah, here we go everybody. The grain's going this way, so we're gonna slice across. Chop it up. Turn this for you guys so you can see how juicy it is. The Big Daddy. Perfect. So juicy. Perfect slices. Look at that. Look at this. Look at the juices coming out of that. Isn't that incredible? Shot of sake, slice of Tarsu. Don't mind if I do.